Good job. You want more? Go ahead. Go get it. Nice job. Go get it? Nice. You need to clean up some more? Okay, just a little bit more, okay? Okay, would you get that for me? Nice job. Okay, we're gonna do one more little cleanup, okay, Jules? Ready? You looking? Good, would you get that for me? Good job. Oh, you missed a spot. Hey, Jules, look at this over here. Good job.
More.
You want more? Mm-hmm. Getting it? Did you miss it? Oh, you missed a spot. You missed a spot right there. See? Good. Would you clean that up for me? You are really good at this. I got a lot of things I got to teach you, huh? All right, last one. Ready? Over here. Nice job. Hey, Jules, can I have a high five? You want more? All right, last one. Okay. Ready? Go ahead. Get over there. Go ahead. Do you see it? Go ahead, go get that for me. Very nice.